आमच्या हेडक्वॉर्टराक व्हडले दिसाक जेन्ना आमी आमचो पयलो प्रधानमंत्रीचो आज उगडास करता तेन्ना म्हाकाय आमचे पार्टीन फेलिसिटेट केल्लो आसा कित्याक सावथ गोवाचे जनतेन म्हाका ही विक्टरी दिल्ली आसा. पयले सुवातेर हांव पार्टीक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. भोव करून आमच्या डिस्ट्रिक्टाक आनी हेर सगळे जे वावुरले म्हाका टिकेट मेळपाक, कित्याक सांगता ते भशेन सारकीं जाणटे म्हणटाले ओल्ड मॅन डेड वूड एज इज ओनली अ नंबर. तुम्ही पळयल्ले आसात भुरगे मोगतात, भुरगे दुयेंत आसतात आनी म्हाका उगडास आसा. दोगत्याक जामदार म्हणटाल्यार ग्रँडफादर क्लबाक कोणशे बरे आमचो एकलो फादर क्लब आतां दुयेंत करून आंगड जाल्लो आसा. सो एजीचे फोकाणां मारपाचें न्ही. आनी पॉलिटिक्सांत एज इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट, हेल्थ इज इम्पॉर्टंट. कोणाक तरी हेल्थ ना तेका रायट ना कंटिन्यू करपाक. देखून हांव पारीकराक म्हणटालो तुवें कोणू पडूंक शकता. एक ट्यूब आनी हुंय ट्यूब घालन खंय ट्यूब करनाका. तूं न्हिदलो कोण न्हिदपाक जाय तांकां कांय ना. आरोग्य म्हणटा तें देवाचें एक देणें, पूण गोंय न्हिदाय नाका तांणी गोंय न्हिदाय. तेन्ना आयज सांगला ते भशेन एज इज ओनली नंबर. फाल्यां समज तूं म्हाका बरो आरोग्य ना जाल्यार म्हाका रायट आसचो ना कंटिन्यू जावपाक एज एमपी, बिकॉज लोकांची कामां करपाक जाय. लोकांक तुका निवडून हाडला आनी एक आश्वासन दिलां लोकांक की हांव तुमच्या बराबर आसतलो. केदेय वेळार कितें काम आसल्यार फाटीं सर नाकात. तुमी म्हाका निवडून दिला. जस्ट 8 दीस पयलो सारकीं एक्स सीएम, एक्स स्पीकर, एक्स सगळीं लोक सोडी पार्टींतूय म्हाका मुश्केल नाशिल्लें. आयज म्हाका लोकांक निवडून दिवन आयज हांव लिडर जालो. सगळे एमएलए जे म्हजे कासत वावुरले, आमचो डिस्ट्रिक्ट सगळे कॅंग्रेसमॅन तांकां लागून म्हाका जैत मेळ्ळेलें आसा. सारकीं 9 मनीस न्ही, लोक वळखता, जनता वळखता. सावथ गोवा तशीच नॉर्थ गोवा कित्याक आमी मंत्री आसून जायत काम केलें आनी ताजो फोड म्हाका हे पावती मेळ्ळो. तेन्ना हांव सबंद म्हजे सावथ गोवा जाणी म्हाका निवडून हाडलो हांव सांगूंक सोदतां whatever I will do that will be in the interest first of South Goa, then my state Goa and my country. हे हांव लोकांक आश्वासन दिवन आनीक एक पावट सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हूण तांकां म्हणून की they had certain aspirations and that's why they have voted me back to power.
Because there's nothing called old in politics. There is something called experienced and non-experienced young. So some people try to say old. There's nothing called old. Therefore, my request to everybody, especially our own people, is let us not use this word old. There are experienced and people like us who are very young. So Congress is an amalgamation and a synthesis of young, of experienced, of inexperienced, and it is a learning process of organization building. It's a learning process of taking the country forward, and it is very fortunate for us that people of Goa have voted for a person like Mr. Sardimba, who has got the stature, who has got the authority, and we've seen him that in the last parliament when he was a member, he was a chairman of estimates committee, which was a pride for Goans. He was in the panel of the speaker Once when I went to Parliament and Sir was showing me Parliament, suddenly the chair said that Mr. Sardina should preside over the Lok Sabha. This is an honor for Goans. And this sort of an honor will come back to Goa with a person like Sir Sardin becoming the MP of Goa. He is the voice which Goa deserves. He is a voice which is a right voice for Goa because he knows Goa by the pulse. He served Goa in various capacities as a minister, as a chief minister, as a party president, as MP, as a chairman of estimates committee, as a speaker. So he's got experience at the state, he's got experience at the center. And what you need today is a person who can take Goa's voice forward.
Newly elected MP from South, despite all the odds all over India, our fort in South Goa will be captured. It's only because of the candidature of Mr. Francisco Sardina, who has very wide acceptance by all the communities, by everyone. People just love him, and I think that love only could fetch us this victory which we had lost last time. So Goa Pradesh Congress Committee would like to thank everyone from the Goa who has supported us, and sir, congratulations. All the best.